Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we had a really cool truck. It's a 1963 GMC Delivary. Got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
We're doing fine, thank you.
Cool. What a nice truck.
Thank you.
Pretty nice cruiser, right? Running around town.
Rides real smooth, really comfortable. I'm a big guy, 6'3", plenty of room.
Okay.
And it's got big, comfortable Tahoe seats. Got a, what'd you call it, adjustable steering wheel.
Oh, tilt wheel.
Tilt wheel.
Custom stereo, digital gauges, and all the goodies, huh?
Yep.
Sitting under the hood's a 350, automatic transmission. Got disc brakes up front. Sitting on a pair of set of American racing rims. Really set it off nicely. Really nice, super straight body too. You don't really see them like this.
I should close the door.
Yeah, the door's popped open a little. It's okay. Really nice paint too. It's got a Chevy grille up front, but it's a GMC. GMCs are much more rare than the Chevys. You don't really see the GMCs around a lot. You know, this would be great for advertising a business or something like that.
It would be.
Right? Really cool. This one's going to be priced very aggressively, so definitely don't snooze on it. Really nice chrome and stainless all the way around. Beautiful custom interior. Power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel, custom stereo. These are Tahoe seats, real comfortable. Tilt wheel, real nice door panels. I like all the custom pinstripe too, real nice. Man, it runs perfect, huh? Man, that's cool. You know, they're always rusted down here and under these doors. This one looks fantastic. Beautiful. Oh, I like the rope lighting, cool. That must look nice at night, huh?
It does.
Let's check out under the hood. $350. Poly carburetor, looks like a 650. Headers, power steering, power brakes. Real nice under the hood. Is that an Ahoooga Horn?
Yeah, we got an old Woofer horn.
That's cool. Awesome. Nice. Aluminum valve covers. Edelbrock reformer intake. It's good. Steel heads. Really nice. Pretty truck. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. We offer worldwide shipping and financing, so hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.